Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is a different kind of a video that I wanted to share with every one of you. So this is my channel. So I upload this kind of videos, and I will upload this kind of videos every one in a in 1 week or 2 week. So please subscribe to my channel. And if you are a Bengali, then I have a different playlist for this quantum mechanics in Bengali. So you can please look into that and like and subscribe those videos and subscribe to my channel as well. Okay, so without making a delay, let's go to today's video. So today, what I am going to share is about the research uh, about the admission in Center for Research in Nanotechnology and Sciences (CRNTS). So basically, I am a student at CRNTS. I did my masters in physics and then came here. So there is a lot of ambiguity about what is CRNTS and how can you get into it and what are the eligibility criteria for admission at CRNTS in IIT Bombay. Okay, so this will be a full and final video, and I don't think there are many videos in YouTube out there. So here we go. So the first thing is eligibility criteria. So there will be the eligibility criteria is same for all of the institute as well as CRNTS. So you have to have passed your MSc, MTech or BTech. BTechs are also applicable for this. I don't Please pardon my roommates here. So they are actually laughing and shouting. Anyway, so you have to pass the written test in the subject of your master's. So basically, CRNT is a center, so it do not conduct any written test. So basically, the written test is conducted by the parent department. If you follow my earlier videos, uh, I have clarified this issue once that CRNTS is not a department; it is a center. So CRNTS do not have any faculties as such. I will come up to that point in this video as well. Anyway, so you have to pass the written test of your respective subject in the masters. So then you have a either you have to write nanotechnology as your interest and interest in SOP. If you people want to know how to write a SOP in Indian Institute to get into Indian institutes, I can help you in that as well. Please comment down in the comment section. Anyway, or if you or you have applied in CRNTS separately. So when you apply for IIT Bombay PhD, there will be three options to choose, right? One is what you want, one you choose from your masters basically, and then you choose an interest second, and third one is something that you like or you don't choose third one. So basically, you are given three options there. So there you can apply for CRNTS, but given that you have applied for the master's department as well, like I have done master's physics, so I have to apply in physics and CRNTS. I cannot only apply at CRNTS. Anyways, the next thing is the selection procedure. So if you get if you pass the written test of your parent department, then CRNTS will email you about the confirmation of your interview. So first of all, you have to do three things. You have to give the test. You have written nanotech as your interest. You have applied for CRNTS separately, like three or four. This is optional, 3 or 4 points. Okay, so you have to have nanotech as your interest, or you have applied for CRNTS and you have cleared the test. So now they will email you confirming that you will you will be attending the interview or not. And after the email, when you confirm that you will be attending the interview, they will float a form. And in that form, you have to choose three projects. This is very crucial because this out of these three projects, one project will be a final PhD project. So after that project choosing, you have to give a two-stage interview. The first stage interview is based on the academic knowledge. The second stage interview is based on the research interest, basic logical understanding. And if you are chosen, the first chosen project will be allotted to your candidature. Otherwise, if the first project is chosen by someone else, then the preferentially first, second, and third projects will be chosen, and it will be automatically, and you cannot change your project after joining IITP. After joining the CITs. So what is it about CRNDS? So CRNDS is not a department; it's a center. It is compiled with safe, sophisticated analytical instrumentation facility. So this is a facility which was actually a regional facility. Here, the samples from different institutes all over the India, they came and they actually pay some money to use that instrument, and the results are sent back to them. First, faculties from other departments collaborate on a single project and will take students on the basis of that project. Okay, so other departments mean physics, EE, chemistry, chemical, biology, BSB, mathematics, everything. Okay, where there is an application of nanoscale basically. One will be your guide and another will be your co-guide. But out of both of them, one have to be from your master's subjects department. Like if you have masters in let's say chemical engineering, MTech in chemical, so one guide from would be from chemical engineering, and another may be from any other engineering or basic sciences department. The stipend is same, 51,000 for JRF and 35,000 for S, and the leave tenure is 30 days. Now, what are the pros of joining CRNTS other than other institutes? So basically, there is no pro and con in choosing any PhD topic. But if let's say if you are choosing on just on the basis of the name of the department, okay. So what are the pros apart from the research topic? Let's say you have got the research topic of your interest, and apart from that, what are the pros that you might look at? So the you get to work in a collaboration of two different professors, which will help you with future recommendations. This is the first thing. Second thing is, as you know, that in every IIT, if you go, if you have to do a TA duty, which is a teaching assistant duty, and usually in other departments, what you have to do, you have to basically help the professor to teach course. Okay. But in CRNTS, there is no such course because CRNTS don't have any BTech or MTech students. There is only PhD students. So the TA duty will be directly allocated to the SAFE facilities or CRNTS facilities. If you remember, I told you that CRNTs actually collect samples from everywhere else in India, and they pay CRNTs or save some money, and the samples get reflected there, right? So that process is actually done by CRNTS staff as well as TA students. Okay, so in that instrument you will be allotted, like you can be allotted to XRD, you can be allotted to same TAME, any other instrument, and that instrument will be with you for next 5 years. Actually, you can change it after 3 years, I think, but generally people don't change. So till 5 years you can get that. To continue PhD, the academic CPI requirement for other departments like physics it's 7, for electrical it's 7, electrical it's 8, 8.5 or 8 I think, and for computer science is 9 I think. So to continue PhD, but for CRNTS, because it is a center not a department, so the rules applied here are the rules of the institution, not a specific department. Okay, so the minimum requirement is CPI is 6. So this can be thought of as a pro. And there are some cons, like you will be not getting a so-called sophisticated research scholar room in the department and everything, but they are actually manageable. So anyway, we'll meet in the next video. So thank you for watching this video till here. If you like it, please consider subscribing the channel. Also, please comment down your thoughts about the video, and if you want to have a specific video about SAP and everything else. Thank you very much.